dear students. Now today I am going to start activity 5. Multiply. The 2-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number. How we multiply it? First we multiply it by a single digit number. We tell the table of 5 9 times. 5 nines are 45. We put carry over here. Then 5 fours are 20 plus 4. That is 24. Then put 1 cross here. Instead of cross we write 0 also. Then we start the second digit number multiply by this number. First we multiplied by 1's place digit, that is 2 is multiplied by 9. We tell the table of 2 9 times. 2 nines are 18. We write 8 and put 1 carry over here. Then again tell the table of 2 4 times. 2 fours are 8 and add 1 in that is 9. Now we add this. Then 5 here 0 it means, then 5 plus 0 it means 5. Then 4 plus 8 gives 12 and put 1 carry over here. Then 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, that is 12. So our answer is 1225. Now the method is this, how we multiply the 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Now the next is 73 is multiplied by 37. The method is same. First this 2-digit number is multiplied by a single digit, that is 7. We tell the table of 7 3 times. 7 threes are 21. We write 1 and put 2 carry over here. Then we tell the table of 7 times, that is 7 sevens are 49 and add 2 in this, then 51 comes. Now here we put 1 cross, or instead of cross you write 0 also. Then we tell the table of 3 times. 3 threes are 9. Then tell the table of 3 7 times. 3 sevens are 21 we write here. Now we add these two numbers, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 0 and put 1 carry over here. Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then we write 2. So our answer is 2701. Now the second question, solve this in your notebook. This is in horizontal way is written here. First we write in vertical columns like this. Now the method is same, that a 2-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number. First we tell the table of 3 5 times. 3 5s are 15. 5 and put 1 carry over here. Then 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Then put cross here. Then tell the table of 2 5 times. 2 5s are 10. 0 and put 1 carry over here. 2 4s are 8 plus add 1 carry in that, then 9 comes. Now we add these two. Then 5 plus 0, that is 5. 3 plus 0, that is equals to 3. And 1 plus 9, that is equals to 10. So our answer is 1035. Now the next is 65 is multiplied by 27. First we write in vertical columns like this. Now we tell the table of 7 5 times. 7 5s are 35. Put 3 carry over here and write 5 here. Then 7 6 are 42. Add 3 in 42, that is 45. Then put 1 cross here. Then tell the table of 2 5 times. 2 5s are 10. Write 0 and put 1 carry over here. Then tell the table of 2 6 times. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13. Now we add these two. 5 plus 0, that is 5. 5 plus 0 again is equals to 5. 4 plus 3 equals to 7 and Here is only 1. So our answer is 1755. Now this is your homework. Solve question number 1 D part in book and question number 2 J to O part solve in your notebook.